chapels. There is not nothing in a little space where music lingers long, and song I knew still echoes from afar. For but a place can hold a Godhead too, and though not true, the light behalved and tainted, I know well that words once heard within these boxes small did stop the aeons dropping to hell, for that the well of grace sprang in a corn. And though I know and love thee, presence hid in this, the hand now holding thee on high, I will not thee deny where thou didst bid to hand thee but the will and ever die. For 'twas the place, the little place, where all the cosmos passed in blast of grace.